How to get Adidas working promo codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in Adidas promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. All these websites will provide you promo codes and coupon codes for the Adidas. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I will be opening this one, Time Magazine. After you open it, you're gonna find great deals and offers. Just scroll down and check. $30 coupon code, $25 coupon code, 15% off, and so on. If you're interested in any of the offer and want to use it, all you need to do is click on the option of Show Coupon. Make sure you check the expiration date of the coupon, whether it is valid or not. Now I can copy this coupon code. I have selected $30 off. Now I can head towards the website of Adidas, log into your account, make your purchase, and whenever you check out, apply this code and get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out these offers. Also, you can go through these websites, as these websites will also provide you great deals and offers. Using this website also you can get tons of promo code and coupon codes for Adidas. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can get Adidas working promo codes. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.